So in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to print emails without cutting off the side in Outlook. So you want to print Outlook email, you don't want to crop the email side part. Here's how to do it. First of all, open the email and just click on File and click on Print. And here you will see the email print preview. So now in your print preview, if you see the email is cropping from side, then all you have to need to solve this problem, just click on print options and here click on page setup and here select paper. And now in this orientation option, by default it's selected to portrait. So in portrait, if you see your email is cutting or cropping automatically, then you have to select here landscape and click on OK and click on cancel and go back to your mail. Again select the mail and click on file, click on print, and then here we can see my email print preview, and currently it's in landscape mode, and currently as you can see nothing is cropping in this email. So now you can easily print this email without cutting off on the side. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.